So if I were to go around over here onto home and click on new email, and if I were to start typing, then you can see that it types with a certain format right here. Of course, I can go around and change it later on over here. But what I can also do is I can set a default message format. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto view and then go to view settings right here. Then I'm going to go to mail and then compose and reply. Once you do that, you can see that this is the default message format right here, but you can go around and change around the font as you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and change it out to Arial Black right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then over here you can see that this is what you have. So this is Arial. Let me just choose Arial Rounded over here. So now the default is Arial Rounded. Then you can go around, change around the font size, make it bold if you want, italicize it or underline it as well. But let me just go around, choose the font color over here and click on save. So once I do that, nothing actually shows right now, but I can go around onto home and click on new email, and over here if I were to go around and say dear GTTube right here, you can see that that particular format is used. You can go around over here onto view settings, then go to compose and reply and change around the setting according to how you want right here and click on save as well. And then what happens is that if I were to go around onto new email, then that particular format will be selected. Of course, you can go around and change around the format as you like later on as well. So you can go around and change around the font over here and so forth and override the defaults if you want. But the default changes out as you go around and change it out in the setting inside of Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.